What if I told you that the moment government regulators shut down, crypto exploded? In just the last 24 hours, privacy coin Zcash surged 61%, while prediction markets rocketed nearly 69%, all while Bitcoin delivered on Uptober, promises hitting 118K. This is what happens when regulatory uncertainty meets true utility in crypto. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this is your Crypto Pulse Flash Update. Hey everyone, welcome to another Crypto Pulse Update, where we cut through the noise to deliver what really matters in crypto right now. If you're new here, we focus on actionable market intelligence that keeps you ahead of the crowd. Today we're breaking down a perfect market storm. Government shutdown creates a regulatory vacuum just as privacy coins explode, prediction markets surge, and Bitcoin delivers on its seasonal Uptober promises. Let's dive in. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $118,776, up 3.75% in the last 24 hours, confirming the Uptober seasonal thesis many traders bet on. Ethereum follows at 4,395, up a solid 5.68%, while Solana is showing even stronger momentum at 223, up 6.13%. But the real story isn't these top assets. It's what's happening in the sectors that thrive during regulatory uncertainty. Privacy coins are having an absolute renaissance moment with the sector up 23.53%, but Zcash is the undeniable star, rocketing 61% to 123.7 in a massive surge. The timing couldn't be more ironic. As the government shutdown furloughs 94% of SEC and CFTC staff, the very coins these agencies have historically targeted are experiencing their biggest rally of the year. This isn't just coincidence. The regulatory vacuum created by the shutdown is driving institutional demand for privacy-preserving transactions. When uncertainty rises, privacy becomes a premium asset class. Even more impressive than privacy coins, the internet capital market sector is absolutely exploding, up 68.92% as prediction markets capture significant institutional capital. Think about the beautiful irony here. Prediction markets are surging nearly 69%, partly because they're being used to bet on the duration of the very government shutdown that's paused their regulation. Polymarket data shows a 38% probability of resolution by October 15th, showing how these platforms provide real utility during political uncertainty. Here's where it gets really interesting. Despite Bitcoin hitting 118K in these massive sector gains, the Fear and Greed Index remains stuck at a neutral 48.72. This reveals a fascinating divergence between institutional confidence and retail hesitation. While smart money is aggressively positioning in privacy coins and prediction markets, retail investors remain cautious. The data doesn't lie. L1 infrastructure is capturing 17.04% of market mindshare. Derivatives volume is up 28.76%, and prediction markets are seeing 18.59% growth. These are all institutional indicators showing strong conviction, while retail sits on the sidelines. So what does this market moment mean for your strategy? First, understand that regulatory uncertainty doesn't always hurt crypto. Sometimes it creates the perfect conditions for certain sectors to thrive. Second, recognize the divergence between institutional confidence and retail fear. This gap often presents the most lucrative opportunities. Finally, focus on utility-driven protocols that solve real problems during uncertainty. Privacy solutions when surveillance is concerning, prediction platforms when information is valuable, and infrastructure when builders continue regardless of regulation. As we wrap up today's update, remember, the government shutdown that sent regulators home has created a perfect storm for privacy coins and prediction markets, while Bitcoin delivers on its Uptober promises at 118K. The question now is which utility-driven protocols you'll back in this regulatory arbitrage opportunity where government dysfunction becomes crypto's biggest catalyst. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay ahead with Crypto Pulse. Drop a comment below sharing which privacy coins or prediction market protocols you think have the most potential during this regulatory vacuum. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in 12 hours with our next Crypto Pulse update.